Class actions are a procedural means of aggregating small claims, which wouldn't make sense to pursue individually, and deal with a whole group all at once. In Ontario, you don't have to opt in to a class action. Once an action is certified, you have the option of opting out, but as long as you don't opt out, everybody is in. To start a class action, you need one representative plaintiff who would act for a group of 2 or more people. There are 3 types of employment class actions: misclassification class actions, minimum standards class actions, and pension plans class actions. Generally, a judge is looking for a class, that means a group of 2 or more people that have common issues, meaning they have common legal and factual problems, and for a cause of action, meaning that the harm that is imputed exists in law. A company will not start a claim against you if you're part of a class action. They will defend the action, but they don't have individual recourse against the potential class members or even later on class members. Everything affects your taxes. If you get more money, then that money will be taxed generally as employment income, but it's always good news for the recipient to get more employment income. Certification is the first step in a class action. At that point, the judge decides that the action can be dealt with collectively and that the group is a class that has potentially suffered from the same harm. The steps leading up to certification are issuing the claim, conducting cross-examinations on affidavits provided by the representative plaintiff and by the defendant, and then the actual certification hearing. Class actions are long battles. They can take years. Generally, the rule of thumb is that it takes about 2 years to get an action certified. And following that, the defendant might either consider settling the action, or it might be a long drawn battle to a resolution on the merits before the courts.